your new refrigerator, Maddie?
Yeah, let's go to the backyard.
Okay, give the tour out here, Haley.
And this is a really pretty place. Wow. And that's the kids' playing area over here. Daddy showed me that.
Hey, did you like the yard tie?
You like this?
Look at me for a minute.
Hey, why have dogs?
You like this?
Well, they're going to be growing grass in the spots that have dirt right now. Okay?
You like
Do you like it in the backyard?
Uh-huh. Oh, and then wait, Daddy.
Yeah, your table. Your table. Uh-huh. Is that where you sit?
Look, that's where all our boxes. And then this is where last night Daddy barbecued with the barbecue.